Well, for today, not seeing anything that's out of the ordinary, but we are going to see a little bit of some wildfire smoke that we've been seeing for the past couple of days now. You can see that wildfire smoke still kind of billowing out of the Pacific Northwest where those fires are going on. And with the upper level pattern kind of moving it a little bit more now northwest to southeast, that'll just kind of hang out for at least the next few days. Probably could hang around for the next week or so as long as this air pattern stays consistent, which it probably will because it's a stubborn one at that. The good news, though, it's remaining elevated. So air quality at the surface, it's moderate. It's okay. Obviously, we want to be in the good, but moderate isn't too bad unless you're extremely susceptible to allergens like smoke or dust. For the most part, we should be okay for that air quality. This will enhance those sunrise and sunsets, make them a little bit more redder or orange. For today, high temperatures about a degree or two warmer than yesterday, mid-90s northwest Arkansas, sitting around 100 to 101 in the River Valley. Plenty of sunshine this morning, a few clouds during the afternoon, and maybe a very stray shower, but the vast majority of it stay dry. The bigger story is going to be the south breeze that picks up at about 5 to 15. That's what's going to bring in a little bit more moisture that'll fuel those rain chances. More importantly, or a little bit more of the bigger story, it's going to be higher heat indices, about 103 to 108 for that heat index today and tomorrow. And we'll kind of sit in that range for the next 5 days at least, if not all of next week as well. And this upper level high that's sitting in the desert southwest is not moving or weakening anytime soon. So we're going to be kind of sitting in this kind of hot and humid pattern for quite a while. In terms of at the surface, this high pressure that's off to our northeast here is continuing to push east. That cold front now is starting to dissipate. So now this has free flow of giving us southeast and Gulf moisture that's unimpeded. So now this is where that humidity starts to rise. And the stationary front is staying well stationary. So we're not going to see much of a rain change over the next couple of days, just enough coming off of it that we could see a spotty storm or two. But the best chance will come as it approaches on Friday and slowly moves in through early Saturday. We'll show you that rain chance on Futurecast. Today, I think for the most part, the vast majority of us stay dry. I can't rule out a spotty pop-up here during the afternoon, early evening hours, but the vast majority of us are going to stay dry. Overnight tonight, again, same story, staying quiet, dry, maybe a stray shower, but most are staying dry. Tomorrow could see a few spotty showers scrape our far northeastern counties, again, staying relatively dry, and then more of those kind of spotty pop-ups possible. But again, a drier, hot, humid day. We'll have to watch for is late Thursday and early Friday. Could see some isolated storms scrape the region. You could see most of it staying off to the east, but I'd imagine some could possibly linger into northwest Arkansas as well. And kind of on and off through Friday afternoon and evening, could see a few isolated scattered storms move through the region that could produce maybe some heavy downpours, maybe a brief gust of wind. Not expecting anything widespread severe, but maybe a few stronger storms. And you can see as it continues to move from north to south there, kind of through Friday night, and maybe lingering a little bit into Saturday morning. So as we head through the next 7 days after that cold front swings through on Friday, not much of a cold front because it doesn't cool off very much. In fact, now that it's trying to be a little bit weaker, we're going to see temperatures in the mid-90s, stay in that mid-90s range for the next 7 days. And the humidity sticking around as well. For the River Valley, we're seeing those highs close to not hit 100 over the next couple of days. Even on Saturday now could hit 100. You can see not much cool relief on the way for the weekend and early next week. As highs stay in the upper 90s to about 100.